Hello friends, today while cycling we have come here to this Worli bus stop which is unique. This is one of the few bus stops which has got a library for you to read books, plus it keeps you informed. I'll show you how. This looks beautiful with you can see the digital, it's like a waterfall out here. And on this side it tells you the route and expected time of arrival of the bus. Let me go closer. So it tells the route number and the bus stop. These are the helpline, and there's a post box which tells you drop a letter to your loved ones and we will post it for you. There is a charging station where you can charge your mobile. Isn't this lovely? Come, I'll show you something. Have you ever seen this? There is a security personnel in a bus stop also, which is a new development. There is a library out here where you can just pick any book and read when you're waiting for the bus. So they are trying to develop the reading habit. There is a scale for measuring your height. This is for locating nearby public lavatories. So it tells the features of this bus stop. I just showed you the next bus arrival alert. This is an advertising spot. I'm sure BST must be earning some revenue out of this. And there are places for you to sit when you're waiting for the bus.
Do let us know how you like the unique bus stop at Mumbai, because I think it's a very innovative concept. Probably this is the first one which is there at Haji Ali, Mumbai. So please let us know how you like this, and please like, share, subscribe and comment on our channel.
Also, let's keep our cities clean.
Yes.
Bye.
Bye.